This is Andrew Gross of The Record here at Demarest, where St. Joseph and Old Tappan are about to play in a Bergen County tournament semifinal. The winner of this game will go on to face Don Bosco in a final scheduled for Sunday.
Yes, he did!
Reminder to everyone as you leave the complex.
Andrew Gross of The Record here at Demarest, where St. Joseph has just defeated Old Tappan 11-1 in 5 innings in the other semifinal of the Bergen County tournament. St. Joseph will now face Don Bosco in tomorrow's championship game, standing with winning pitcher Brendan Loban. Just talk about the emotions of getting to the championship game.
No, it's every kid's dream. When playing high school ball, when you're winning a championship, you're going all out. Tomorrow's gonna be a bloodbath with Don Bosco, which it should be. We don't like each other that much, so it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
Your teammates go out and get you a 6-run lead in the first inning. Just talk about how that settled you down and how you could pitch with the lead comfortably.
That was great. 6-run lead really helped, and I was looking for 2 or 3, and that was it. And they came up 6 and ultimately got 11, so it was just great. My team backs me up so much, and I can't thank them enough.
Just talk about getting one more shot at Don Bosco. I know things didn't go well. That was back, I believe, on April 3rd. You got 10 runs by him. Just tell me about, getting a second shot at these guys.
Oh, it's going to be great. The second shot's going to be great. And I'm going up. I know everyone. I know Pfister who's going to pitch tomorrow, and it's going to be great. It's bragging rights. You're out at a party, and you see someone, it's like we beat you. You got the ring. So, and I know they're all cocky, and they want to have the three in a row. And tomorrow, I think it's going to stop. So, they can't go undefeated.
Brendan, I appreciate it. Good luck tomorrow.